Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here in less than 2 minutes. Going to watch IMRN out of the opening gates, looking for a potential break of 685, and whether or not that happens remains to be seen, but I will keep you updated. All right, the markets are now open. I'm going to go. I missed it. Well, I got back in on the pullback there. So let's see what this wants to do. So I missed the original surge, but I at least got here on the pullback. Looking like I might be able to pick up some more shares here. Nice, got some at 6. Let me put out a couple orders there at 655 and 660. So 1,500 shares. Let's see if this thing wants to get back above 650. It's trying. Getting kind of stubborn here in the 645-ish range. So there I got all those out, and I have 500 left. So out there for $230. If this thing wants to pull back again, I will be interested, but not until right around the 575 mark. So just double checking. So 575. So let's see if we can get those. Went down as low as 6. So let's see if this thing wants to pull back down through the $6 mark. As you've seen here, quite the nice mover. So I will keep you updated. Apologize I missed it, but that turnaround happened in a hurry. It was actually looking like I may be getting filled on the pullback. And then I turned my back for literally just a couple moments, make an alert in the chat room, and up it went right there. So very nice move. And we'll see if it wants to pull back some or not. But yeah, this thing is all over the place. I'm going to go to 625 here. So 625 if it wants to pull back again. And that just shows, I mean, there are some people literally just buying up there at 717, and now those people are, now the price is pulled back that much. So that's why this is one of these where I don't want to chase. So let's see if we can get it to pull back to 625 or not. There's the break. All right, I will pause it. Okay, I have an order at 575 now. I moved it down. It's getting near a $6 break, so I at least want to get it documented here. Whether or not the break happens, I don't know, but this one can move pretty jumpy. So I prefer to at least have the order documented in case I miss out on the actual entry. So we'll see if it can get down through 6. All right, it made its move down through. So let's see if it can get down to 575, which is represented by that green line there. So 575, there's the break, and I am in. For my first 500. And out for a quick $50. Let's see, double checking. So let's go to 551. So that is represented by that green line there. So I'll start the process all over again. And, you know, if it wants to give me a quick $50, great. If not, if it allows me to get some more than 500, like that first round of trades, and even better yet. It's been a while since I've used the analogy, but, you know, I made, what, $50 there, and let's just call it 10 seconds. So if I was walking down the street and I saw a $50 bill sitting there, and I knew it would take me 10 seconds to bend over, pick it up, put it in my wallet, would I do that? And for me, yes. Spending 10 seconds of my time to get $50 is well worth it. Now, maybe for you, no. You know, for Bill Gates, for Warren Buffett, for Jeff Bezos, yeah, it would be literally a waste of their time to spend 10 seconds to make $50. But I am not one of those people. So for me, it's definitely worth taking the 10 seconds to get $50. So that's why I say if it's going to hand it to me, then I will gladly take it. So, all right, well, let's see here. It's we're 18 minutes in, up $280. Not too bad. And, you know, honestly, the first 230 came within 2 minutes of the day. And then I kind of stepped away for a little bit. And here I am back. Regardless, though, and I'm very clearly not very good at stalling. Those color commentators on sporting events that just kind of keep that can talk about whatever, I'm clearly not one of them. So I'm trying to stall, see if we can get another flush to the downside, but not looking like it's going to happen for now, so I'll keep an eye on it. Okay, I have an order at 575 here. It was looking like it might have been hit. Looking like it still may be hit. It's trying. Nope. That was a move I wanted. So let's go to 551 now instead. So 551. How low did it actually go? So it did hit 575. Did not fill me though. And that was, like I said, that was the move I'm wanting. Now I don't like how it's hesitating up here. So I'm still interested, just no longer at the 575 mark. So I nailed the bottom. The problem with nailing the bottom is sometimes when you nail the bottom, you don't get any fills. So that is why, and I've said this before, but walking around bragging about, oh, I nailed the top, I nailed the bottom. Honestly, that's not what you want. You want to be like 1 penny above. So if I was at 576, that would have been nailing the bottom because that would have guaranteed I got filled. But yeah, sometimes if you are at the exact top or the exact bottom, which is great from a, hey, I read that well perspective, from the practical perspective of getting filled, doesn't mean you're actually going to get anything. So, all right, 551, my new first entry point. Let's see if it can work its way down there. Okay, I have an order to go short at 111.45, stop at 111.57. So risking right around $60, but with slippage could get up around 75, which is fine. I mean, I'd still be up over $200 on the day. So again, looking to get a short position at 111.45 on what I think to be is an overextended move, and I'm looking for a roll back over. And but if it doesn't roll back over, if this strong move continues, then I will I'll say see you later and take my my controlled loss and move on. But step one is just going to be needing to get up there to 111.45. So we'll see if that can happen. Well, I got that one wrong. I was right in the sense of it looking like it wanted to roll back over, but wrong in the sense of where it would roll over. So I'm just going to go ahead and cancel that order out. We are now an hour in, and I have other stuff I would like to move on to with my day, so I'm going to wrap it up. If you enjoyed these videos and if you want me to keep making the live trades, the easiest way to communicate that to me, as I say every week, is hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Lots of other videos on the channel itself, but if nothing else, like I said, if you enjoyed these videos and would like me to keep making them, just hit that like button. If you're interested in trading alongside me and other traders, I do offer a live chat room and newsletter community. You can go to claytrader.com /team and all the details there. And, this is one where IMRN was, I alerted in the room, so the entire community was aware of it and did well with it. So if you're interested in that, again, you can just go to claytrader.com. And then also, if you're interested in learning how to use charts and technical analysis to build a strategy that best fits your needs, your situation, your goals, then I do have a training program called the Trading Freedom Pathway. And you can, again, go to claytrader.com and all those details are there. So thank you for hanging out. And like I said, if nothing else, if you want me to keep making these videos, just hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you back next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.